In this video, you'll learn how to convert a Google Doc into a Google Form step by step using a simple add-on. This is really handy if you've already written questions in a document and don't want to rebuild everything manually in forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn that text into a functional form you can send out for quizzes, surveys, or feedback. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that your questions are already typed out in a Google Doc. Try to keep each question clearly separated, for example, with line breaks or numbering, so the add-on can recognize them more easily. Once your doc is ready, open it up in your browser so you can start the conversion process. Now look at the top menu of your Google Doc. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Find the one labeled Extensions. Click on Extensions, then hover over Add-ons, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a side window or a new dialog. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type something like Doc to Form or Form Builder for Docs. Both refer to tools that can take the content of your document and turn it into form questions. You may see a few different options appear. Look for one that clearly states it works with Google Docs to create Google Forms. Click on it to open its details page, then click the Install button. You might be asked to grant some permissions so the add-on can read your document and create a form in your account. Read through those briefly, and when you're comfortable, accept them to complete the installation. Once the add-on is installed, go back to your Google Doc. You may need to refresh the page so the new add-on appears under the Extensions menu. After refreshing, click on Extensions again, and you should see the add-on listed there. Select it to open its panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Before you start creating the form, highlight the text in your document that you want to turn into a question or set of questions. For example, you might highlight one line for a single question or a block of text that includes several questions. The more clearly separated your questions are, the better the add-on will handle them. This step tells the tool exactly what part of your document it should convert. With your text highlighted, look over to the add-on panel. You'll see options for setting the question type. Choose the type that best matches what you've written, such as multiple choice, short answer, or another available option. If your text contains answer choices, make sure they're clearly listed on separate lines so the add-on can pull them in correctly. After selecting the question type, you're ready for the final step. In the add-on panel, find and click the button labeled Create Form. The tool will process the highlighted text and automatically generate a new Google form based on your selections. When it's done, it will usually give you a link or open the new form in a separate tab. From there, you can review the questions, make any small edits, adjust settings like required questions or point values, and then share the form with others.